Another example of non-standard quadratic equations is given here that we want to solve for x. Of course, like it was mentioned before, you can always simplify this equation and change it into standard form and then use your calculator mod 5.3 in order to find the values of x. However, doing the simplification will take you longer than doing the actual calculation for x. So let's see how we can do this by hand calculation. First of all, you should notice that you cannot do the multiplication from outside to inside here because there is a square that should be performed first. But we can start dividing both sides of this equation by 2, which simplifies the equation into 3x plus 12 squared equals 16. And now we can follow the same steps as we have seen in the previous video, which means first we take the square root of both sides to get rid of the squared. And don't forget, when we do this, we get plus or minus on the other side. And after simplification, we see that we have two linear equations that we have to solve. So let's solve these two equations separately. Since the steps involved in solving these two linear equations are similar, therefore we will solve them simultaneously. First, subtract 12 from both sides of these two equations and then simplify. Next, divide both sides of these two equations by 3 and get one answer for x equals negative 8 over 3, and the other answer for x is negative 16 over 3.